Here, you can manage employee work assignment, designation, hierarchy, costing, salary and reports with many aspects. In this, under the Employee Master tab, in Employee Master, there is one field name Rate per hour. Here, you can enter per hour costing to company for particular employee. And by using this field data, software will calculate all margin and cost of each task. By saving data, employee login will create with basic rights and later you can change role and rights. From Employee Document tab, you can add all important documents of employee. From Employee's other details, you can add other important data and bank details of employee. From Employee Rule tab, you can manage extra rights for particular employee. You can add employee designation through designation button at upper right corner of the page. You can set fields in Employee Master by using Field Master option. And by clicking on Employee List, employee data can be accessed by using the given filters. You can also mark an employee inactive by clicking on Edit button. Employee data can be edited. Data can be exported in Excel too. By clicking on Employee Task Schedule, information related to task assigned to each employee can be viewed. Again, filters can be used to access the required data and it can be downloaded in Excel format. Here, you can see the current and future tasks for a particular employee. Now, the next is timesheet, which is very important. By clicking on Entry Wise, we can see the details of work done and hours spent by each employee in a particular day. Similarly, by clicking Subtask Wise, you can see the working hours spent by each employee on a particular subtask. And by clicking on Task Wise, you can see the working hours spent task-wise. Not only that, but you can also get to know which employee is currently free just by clicking on Free Employee List tab. By clicking on Employee Login Detail, you can get to know the login time of each employee. Attendance is again an important part. So, by clicking on Add Attendance under the Employee Attendance tab, you can add your attendance by entering in time and out time. You can import attendance sheets in software. Salary and payroll rules will be applied on the basis of these attendance records. And by clicking Attendance List, you get to know the attendance details of each employee. You can also see when a particular employee entered the in time as well as out time.